Hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with yet another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And it is a dark, cloudy, and wet day here in Washington State, just north of Seattle. But today I got something that came in a Zen Pop box. Go to zenpop.jp and use the coupon code Ramen Raider for a discount. Yeah, so this is, oh, it starts with a K, I can't remember, but it's an udon. It's got some tofu with it and some sardine. And I've got some sardine to add into it. If you're watching this on the website, I just started experimenting with adding sardine to instant noodles. A reader mentioned it, or a viewer rather, mentioned it on YouTube. And I thought, okay, I'll give it a try. So why not? This one was a bowl, and so I just take the amount of water that it mentions that was in the bowl and then just put it in a pot and put a lid on it. But this one takes 5 minutes. So what a day, ladies and gentlemen. Wet, wet, wet. Like real wet. Gross. 5 minutes. Kind of move the noodle around a little bit, flip it over, and then let it steep. There we go. Wow, only 300 mils of water. This is not going to be a soupy udon. There we go. So let's go straight to our standard modus operandi, which requires us to bring out Momofuku Ando Speaks, a book of quotes of the guy who invented instant noodles. This one we're doing today is from Myojo, and this is Myojo Japan, but there's Myojo USA, and the CEO of that company is the guy who got me this. So, arigato. Now, ladies and gentlemen, where are we at? I think we're on number 47. Come tomorrow, today's nonsense may become common knowledge. Very true. I remember back in the day there was the term like computer whiz and all that kind of stuff, and everybody knows how to use computers now, so. Yep. What happened here? What happened there? Come on. Still going. You're still going. All is well. So, got some, I don't know, unsettling news. They're already starting to talk about possibly doing hybrid school in some of the districts in the Seattle area. And, yeah, have a seat, buddy. Thank you. And, no. Because it sounds like everywhere where people start going to school again, they get sick. So, especially at this time of year, you got the whole, I don't know, you come out of the cold, come inside where it's warm, a lot of steamy hot air, no ventilation. I mean, come on, please, find me a school that's ventilated. Doesn't happen. So, yeah, and then the thing that I find the most insulting is they're like, kids in early childhood education and special ed, those are the ones they want to send in first. It's like, no, you can use some other kids for be a guinea pig, but not mine. I'm just not comfortable with it. You might think I'm overreacting. That's fine. I can live with that. No. I've got a nephew who died from it. He had complications from other things, but still, it doesn't matter. I mean, bad stuff. So I need more. So we'll see how it goes. I will say, though, I would absolutely love for my children to get back into school. They would too. They totally are into that. But not yet. Not with all the crap going on. Not with how anybody can give you a straight answer on how things are going. That's the biggest problem. There's just like so much indecision and yes, but no, but yes, but it's this way. No, wait, it's this way. No, thank you. But it's still kind of new. I mean, people may be like, it's been around since last year. It's almost been a whole year. It's like, I don't think they got rid of polio for a while or any of that kind of stuff. So we'll get there. I am more than happy to wait. So, anyways, what else is going on other than the impending possibility of complete unsupported homeschooling at some point? Hopefully that's not the case. Well, what's going on is Noodle. And here they are, ladies and gentlemen. Let's give it a stir. So yeah, they mentioned this one has sardine in it. And I thought, well, since I just started using sardine in my garnish arsenal, I thought I'd do one that already has some flavoring in it of it. Noodles are about as expected. They're hydrated well. And here's our little tofu. It's sweet. Not bad. Another piece of the noodle. Okay. Next we'll sample the broth. It's all pretty sweet and salty and a little bit fishy. It's not bad. Yeah, this is very standard, what do you call it? Kitsune udon styling. Except it's not just like totally balls out bonito flavor, which I appreciate that. I'm not really super into balls out bonito. Too much of that, it's just like, oh, come on. Come on. Well, let's make this happen. Got some noodle. Now, we gotta garnish this sucker. Come on, don't spill. I've got our little fishy friends here. Come on, fishy friend, don't. I want the tail. I want everything looking nice. Come on. Finger. I'm gonna use my finger. Hi, Mimi. Ladies and gentlemen, the inimitable Mimi. How you doing? You good? These are tricky. Tricky little buggers. Trying to get them so their look is kind of in the same direction. I like these things. I'm really impressed with how much I like sardines. I didn't really expect it. Thanks to YouTube, dude. He steered me in the right direction. These are King Oscar Royal Selection Bristling Sardines. Yeah. Put a little bit of this here. But not much. The kids just start going ballistic so early in the day lately. Go have a seat and enjoy yourself, or go sit and spin, kid. Kid! I'm starting to second guess myself on this one. And something like that. Yeah, I don't want to go overboard. And I'm going to do a little bit of spicy stuff because I just can't resist. I'm just going to make it like a line through it of these things. Why not? Why not? A little bit of sesame seed. A little bit more sesame. See how that looks. I want those sardines to look absolutely wondrous. I think that's about as good as I can get. So, get all ponied up. Let's move our sardines in oil so they don't get knocked over. That would suck. Alright, Rotato. Oh, this is way off kilter today. I feel a little off kilter today. Alright, not so bad. I'm usually not a huge fan of udon like this, but this one's alright. So yeah. Alright. This has been Oz the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your instant noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye bye bye.